Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the radiator on a Nissan Murano. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a large drain pan, a socket set, and fresh coolant. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before beginning. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Then, carefully lift the front of your vehicle using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands, ensuring a stable work environment. Now let's drain the old coolant. Place a large drain pan, capable of holding about 2 to 3 gallons, directly under the radiator's drain cock. Open the drain cock and let all the old coolant flow out completely. Once drained, carefully disconnect both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Finally, unplug any electrical connectors that are attached to the radiator or the cooling fans, preparing for removal. With the coolant drained and hoses disconnected, it's time to remove the old radiator. First, carefully unbolt the radiator fan assembly from its mounting points, usually 4 to 6 bolts. Gently lift the fan assembly out and set it aside where it won't be damaged. Next, detach any remaining mounting brackets or clips holding the radiator in place. Finally, carefully lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay. Now for the installation of your new radiator. Carefully lower the new radiator into its proper mounting position, ensuring it seats correctly. Reattach all mounting brackets, clips, and the fan assembly, securing them tightly. Connect both the upper and lower radiator hoses, making sure they are clamped firmly. Finally, refill the cooling system with the correct type and amount of new coolant, typically around 2.5 gallons, and check for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.